Hello people and welcome back to the Prime Numbers YouTube channel. Today we've got another great tutorial lined up for you which details how to merge your XDC Staking NFTs. Why would you want to do this? Well, if you merge together two NFTs of the same rarity, it creates a new NFT of the next rarity on the pyramid, which would have a higher base multiplier, which would earn you more rewards. So before we get into today's video, smash that like button please folks, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Right, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so before we do any kind of merging, there's a bunch of criteria you must tick off first. Both the NFTs you want to merge must be in the same wallet, obviously. Merging doesn't work using XDC Pay wallets. Therefore, you'll need to transfer your NFTs to a MetaMask wallet first, and then you can merge them. Godly NFTs are the highest rarity, therefore they can't be merged. And you'll need a tiny bit of XDC in your wallet to cover the gas fee when you do the merge transaction. Okay, that's the basics out of the way, so let's move on and check out the most important criteria. Right, the important criteria you need to tick off is as follows. Both the NFTs you want to merge must be the same rarity. You can't merge a common and a mythic. You can only merge two commons together to create an uncommon, or two mythics together to create a godly. Both the NFTs must be at the same level. So if one of your common NFTs is at level 3 and the other is at level 17, the merge transaction is going to fail. Both the NFTs must have a locked value of false. If you've locked one of the NFTs up in a masternode, then you won't be able to merge it until it's no longer locked in the masternode. Both NFTs must have a total multiplier less than 1.9. The last stake date for both NFTs must be older than 7 days. Both NFTs must have the same amount of XDC staked inside of them. Now, I bet if you go and check your NFTs, there's a number of boxes you haven't ticked, mainly the one where both NFTs should have the same amount of XDC staked inside of them. So in preparation for this video, here's what I had to do, and I suggest you do the same. Find the two NFTs you want to merge and make sure they're the same rarity, and then withdraw all the XDC that you have inside both of those NFTs. Now that both NFTs are empty, stake 35 XDC in each one and then set yourself an alarm or calendar note to come back in 7 days' time. I suggest you do all this at some point during the first half of the month, so the rewards being added to your NFT at the end of the month don't come into the equation. Once 7 days have passed, you'll easily be able to complete the merge process. So let's move on and check out how you do that. Okay, so firstly you want to connect your wallet to the new staking website, which is staking.primenumbers.xyz. You can then hit either of the connect wallet buttons and the connect wallet menu will load, and I'm assuming most of you will select the MetaMask option, but if not, then select the wallet connect option and click on your preferred wallet. Remember, merging doesn't work with XDC Pay wallets. Your MetaMask wallet will then load, asking you to log in. Okay, so once you've successfully connected your wallet, you'll see your XDC and print balances in the top right corner. Next, you want to click on the XDC Staking V2 option and scroll down, and you'll see the XDC Staking NFTs in your wallet. If the XDC Staking V2 section is empty, then your NFTs might be in the XDC Staking section, which means you haven't migrated them over to the new smart contract yet. The guides for doing that can be found in the description of this video, so migrate your NFTs first before trying to merge them. At this point, you should have ticked off all the criteria we've just spoken about, which means you're ready to merge. Okay, so firstly, click on one of the NFTs you want to merge and make a note of the ID number. Now go back and click on the other NFT you want to merge and select the Merge NFTs button. You'll then get a pop-up asking you to enter the ID number you just made a note of. So as you can see on the screen, I'm in NFT 144 and I want to merge it with NFT 1832. Once you've done that, press the Merge NFTs button and your wallet will then load, asking you to confirm the merge transaction. Click the confirm button and shortly after you should get the pop-up at the top saying success, NFTs successfully merged. You should also get the MetaMask confirm transaction pop-up as well. Congratulations, you have successfully merged your NFTs, although it might take a couple of minutes for you to see the new NFT. If you go back to the XDC Staking V2 section, you should see your new NFT. If it's not there, try disconnecting and then reconnecting your wallet. As you can see on the screen, I only have one uncommon NFT in my wallet now compared to the 2 commons I previously had. When I click on my NFT, you'll see it has a new ID number and the 62 XDC I had staked in each NFT has now been combined and I have a total of 124 XDC staked in my new shiny uncommon NFT. If you come across any problems with this process, please go back and double check you have met all the criteria. Lastly, make sure you disconnect your wallet. This is good practice across the whole crypto site. You should never leave your wallet connected to things. Right folks, that wraps up today's video and you should now be able to easily merge your NFTs together. Lastly, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more useful videos about the prime numbers ecosystem and the XDC network. Follow us on social media, all of which are on the screen right now, and I'll catch you in the next video folks. Talk to you later.